So we are solving today the sixth problem of exercise 12.1, that is surface area and volume. Here the problem is a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck at to each end of its ends. So what it is said that have you seen the capsule? It is just like the shape. The figure is given in your textbook also. So like the shape is it is here. So two sides of the capsule is stuck between the hemispheres. So it's this one hemisphere, this is another hemisphere. The two hemisphere between there is a cylinder. So the cylinder is stuck between the two hemispheres. The length of the entire capsule, the length is given to you, that is 14 centimeters. 14 mm. The length is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. So find the surface area. We have to find out the surface area. So what we can do is, first we will write down the radius. So for writing the radius, diameter is 5 centimeters. 5 mm. So radius is equals to 5 by 2, that is 2.5 centimeter is your radius. Mm again. 2.5 mm. Again and again I am writing the centimeters because frequently the problems we have solved before, they are of centimeters. So I am making the mistake, I am writing centimeters. So you also in exam be careful writing the centimeters, mm's or what it is given. Check out the what it is measurement it is given. Based upon that only you have to write the answers. So here there is 2.5 radius. So the radius of this two hemisphere are 2.5 and 2.5 is the radius. So then what we have to find out is we have to find out the height, total length. So length is given as 14 mm is the total length. So what we need to find out again, height of a cylinder. Height of a cylinder is how much? Height of a cylinder will be, this will be the height. This will be the height of a cylinder. So how can we find out this height of a cylinder? So this height of a cylinder can be found out by subtracting this height of a hemisphere and this height of a hemisphere. That is 2.5 from this side, 2.5 from this side. So what we can do is 14 minus 2.5 plus 2.5. So it will be 14 minus 5, that is 9 mm is your height of a cylinder. Now we can write the formula. Surface area of medicine is equals to curved surface area of cylinder plus, we can write okay fine, curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. So what we can do here is, there is two hemispheres, so we can multiply this curved surface area of hemisphere into 2, so that we can include both the hemisphere, this one and this one. If we multiply it by 2 into curved surface of area of hemisphere, as there is two hemispheres, so we have multiplied by 2. Now we can write the formulas. Hope you have written the formulas which I have given in class. Or if you want the formulas, you can check out my short videos. In there also I have given the in short videos the formula, list of formula used in this chapter. 2 pi r h is the curved surface area of a cylinder plus 2 into 2 pi r square, curved surface area of hemisphere. If 2 pi r h, I am taking 2 pi r common, h, what is remaining? H plus, as 1 2 I have taken here, 2 will be remaining, 2r. So your answer will be, we can now substitute the value, 2 into 22 by 7 into r, as radius we have calculated 2.5, h, we know the h, that is h value is 9 plus 2, so we can write 2 into 2.5. so our answer will be, so what we can do, we can calculate our answer, something which can be divisible here. Check out something which can be divisible here. Let's check out. So we will write 2 into 22.7 into 2.5. This 9 plus 2 into 2 and 25 is be 5. 9 plus 5 will be 14. So what we can do is 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. So anything else? No. 2 into 22 into again 2.5 into 2 will be 2.5. This 2.5 into 2 will be 5. So there's nothing more we can do, so we can directly multiply here. So what we will get after 2 into 22 will be 44. 44 into 5 will be 220 mm square. Our answer, mm square is your answer. The total surface area of this medicine will be 220 mm square. Yeah. So next, hope you have copied this problem. So we will go to the next problem. Seventh one. A tent is in the shape of a cylindrical surmounted by a conical top. So there is a tent of cylindrical shape. It is surmounted by a conical top. So this is cone shaped top is there. If the height and the diameter of a cylinder of the cylinder part are 2.1 and 4 respectively, so the both the slant and top, conical top and cylinder, this both have the same diameter and the height is how much? So the height of cylinder is 2.8 mm. So the height is 2.1, it is 2.1 mm. And find the slant height of the top. Find this the slant height of a top, and slant height of a top is given as 2.8 meters as a top height. 2.8 meter it is the top height, slant height. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So we will calculate later. First we will calculate the how much canvas is needed, total canvas. So total canvas, how much the surface area will be there. According to that we will find out the canvas, how much total area, that much canvas we can purchase. So what we can do, we can find out surface area of a tent. So first, to find out the surface area of tent, before that we will write down the given. D is equals to 4 meters, R is equals to 4 by 2, that is 2 meters, H is 2.1 meters, L is 2.8 meters. Surface area of tent, surface area of a tent is equals to surface area of total surface area of cylinder, total surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of tent, or you can say tent top, that is cone, curved surface area of a cone. So what we can do is we will substitute total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus curved surface area of a cone. So what it will be, pi r we will take common, we will get common 2 pi plus L. If we substitute the value 22 by 7 into r, r is how much, radius 2 into 2.1 plus 2.1 2.8. 2.8 is a slant height. 2 into 2.1, that is 2h. This is h, so 2h. 2h is 2.5, 2.1 plus 2.8. L is 2.8. So we have written these values. Now what we have to do is we will multiply this. 22 into 2 will be 44. 44 by 7 into bracket, what it is there in the bracket, 2 into 2.1 will be 4.2. 4.2 plus 2.8. So what we will get is 44 by 7 into into 44 by 7 into 4.2 plus 2.8 will be 7. So 7 get cancelled. We will get 44 centimeter square. 44 meter square is our surface area. Surface area of a canvas is 44 meter square. The canvas needed is 44 meter square. So what will be the cost? Cost how much? So cost we have to calculate. Here it is given the find the this much canvas is needed. What will be the cost? The cost of 1 meter 1 meter square is rupees 500. So what will be the cost of 44 meters square? That is, what we can do is we can multiply this with 500. 500 into 44 divided by 1. That makes no sense. If we cross multiply the 500 into 44 will be, we will get rupees 22,000 will be your cost of 22,000 will be your cost of a canvas needed. Rupees 22,000 will be the canvas rate, and how much canvas? 44 meters square will be the canvas. Is it clear? This was the 7th problem which we have solved.